Students, now let us discuss linear equations. Linear equations means here we have in 10th class pair of linear equations in two variables. So in general form of linear equation is simply here we have linear equation in two variables x and y. The general form is simply ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, and a, b and c are the real numbers, and this particular known as a linear equation. So here it is x and it involves x and y variables, and its powers are only 1. So that's why this type of equations are known as linear equations. And moreover, simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Simultaneous linear equations in two variables. That means a pair of linear equations in two variables are said to be simultaneous linear equations. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and again simultaneously one more equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These two are known as the simultaneous linear pair of equation. So this is together is called as a system. This together is called as a system. And moreover, these two lines are known as simultaneous linear pair of equations. Now here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. We have here three types of equations by taking the relations of the x and y quotients. So that three natures are first there are three natures, and the first one is intersecting lines. First one is intersecting lines. Okay. By seeing these two lines, we can say those two are intersecting by taking the relations of the quotients of the x quotients and y quotients. That is here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines are represents intersecting lines, and the system is consistent. That means it has one solution. System is consistent. That means it has unique solution or one solution. Means if a system has a solution, that is known as a consistent. If it does not have a solution, it is known as inconsistent. So whereas here, particularly in these intersecting lines, the system is known as inconsistent, and it has unique solution. That means graphically we can represent it as like this. Graphical representation. Graphical representation. So graphically we can say these two lines are intersecting at a point, and that's why these two lines are intersecting lines. And moreover, the system is an inconsistent system. Okay. Next, and other nature is coincident lines. Coincident lines. That means if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, in this we have to find all the ratios. Anyway, in any type of nature only you have to find all the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by c1 by c2. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you can say that those two lines are intersecting, and the system has a unique solution, and it is known as a consistent. Whereas in this, in coincident lines, here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. It is also consistent, but it has so many solutions. So system is consistent system. Why? Because it has a solution. Okay. So it has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That is, the graphical representation is like this. That is, one line is coincident with the another line. So we know that joining the line where we have to get so many points. So that's why it consists of the so many points. That's why the system has infinitely many solutions. So whatever it may be, here it is the system is known as a consistent system. Okay. And next, another is parallel lines. Another nature is parallel lines. So this is also by seeing the ratio of their x quotients and y quotients and constants. Lines. Here it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. So it has no solution. So it has no solution. The system is inconsistent. The system is known as inconsistent system. And the graphical representation is like this. So these two are parallel lines. Parallel lines already we know the distance between them it is always same. They don't meet it anywhere. So that's why these two are parallel lines. So to find out the nature of these three types, we have to find first of all a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, and we have to observe the relation. Okay. Once again, here if intersecting lines means a1 by a2 is not equal to c1 by c2. The system is consistent. It has only one solution. Next, coincident lines a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then it has so many solutions and it is a consistent system. Whereas parallel lines, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. The system has no solution. Then the lines are parallel lines. So depending upon the ratios equations, we can say the nature of the lines. Okay. So depending upon this concept, they will ask the compulsory 1-2 marks question. So we practice or they may ask 1 mark also. Okay. Now on this concept. So here we have the some important sums. I will give the one complete shot on the screen regarding this concept. Okay. Now so we will learn the practice well. Now here we have some important sum on this type. So here we have the two pair of lines, and he has given the two lines, the pair of lines have the unique solution. So see this: if 2x plus py plus y equal to 0 and px plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 has unique solution, then find p. So first of all write 2x plus py plus y equal to 0. Then write here a1 value. a1 is 2, b1 is p, c1 is 5. a1 is the x quotient, b1 is y quotient, c1 is constant. And next bx plus by plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Here a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 3, c2 equal to 3. So these two lines have the what? Unique solution. Okay. So let us say 1 and this one is 2. 1 and 2 have unique solution. Then we can write a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means these two are intersecting lines. That means these two are the given lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Now here a1 by 8 is not equal to b1 by 8. a1 by 8 is 2 by 3 is not equal to b by 3. So be careful, see this. Carefully see this. 3p is not equal to 2 into 3. That is 3p is not equal to 6. Therefore p is not equal to 6 by 3. Okay? P is not equal to 2. That means except 2, you can take any value of 2 to satisfy this unique solution condition. That is p belongs to r minus 2. Okay? So like this we can write p belongs to r minus 2. So this is the first one, important one. And the second is like this only. So depending all this, just before discussion, on the conditions only we lost 2 or 1 mark question. So here 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. The given lines are 2x plus 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. And the system has no solution. System has no solution. Then find k. That means again here we write first write the first equation 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, and now down a1, b1 and c1 values, and again here also 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0, a2, b2 and c2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. System has no solution. Since it has no solutions, it is inconsistent and are parallel lines, and the given lines are parallel. So let's write all these three conditions. So by that way you can get the perfect on that concept. Now here 2 by 4 equal to b1 b2 minus k by 6. So on cross multiplication we get minus 4k is equal to 2 into 6. Then k is equal to 2 into 6 by minus 4. By cancellation 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 3 the. So k is equal to, simply we have minus 3. Okay, the system has no solution, then we get the relation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means the system is inconsistent and the lines are parallel. So now by this way we can do this one. Next, the next one is, if the two lines here again px plus py minus of p minus 3 equal to 0. The next is triple x plus py minus b equal to 0, and the system has no solution. Here also, these two lines are constant. The lines are coincident. Then find what a value. So if they ask like that also, if the lines have so many solutions, then find the a value. Okay, two ways they can ask. Coincident means the lines are one is coincident with the other. When graphically we see that way, it is only coincident property. Okay, so here again write px plus py minus of p minus 3 equal to 0. Now here a1 is equal to p, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus of p minus 3. And next 12x plus py minus p to 0. Then a2 equal to 12, b2 equal to p, c2 is equal to minus p. Now here a1 by a2 is coincident, means the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Right, all that ratios equal. So now here a1 by a2 is, simply we can write a1 by a2 is, a1 by a2 is 12 by p by 12 is equal to b1 by b2, that is 3 by p is equal to c1 by c2, that is minus of p minus 3 by c2 is minus p. So it's enough to take the first two equivalents. So p by 12 equal to 3 by, equate the first two ratios, and we get p into p square is equal to 3 into 12, p square is equal to 36, p is equal to 236, that is plus minus 6. So like that we can get the values of the plus or minus 6. And one more also we have to get that other relation, that is by taking these two, we can write 3 by p is equal to p minus 3 by p. By taking that also we can write 3 by p is equal to minus of p minus 3 by p, and cross multiplication we get 3p is equal to minus p into p minus 3, that is 3p is equal to minus p square plus 3. 53p gets cancelled, that is minus p square equal to 0, then p is equal to 0, that is p is equal to 0 or p is equal to 6, but the solution is only p is equal to 6. Okay. Therefore the value of p satisfies both the conditions is p is equal to 6, that's why we have to select only p is equal to 6. Okay. That is the way to do these type of sums. And again here they will ask in some type of questions like this. They will give for 1 mark, they will give like word sums, verbal sums to 1 mark questions. It means to understand the linear equations in perfect. So here the cost of 1 kg of potatoes and 2 kg of tomatoes. Is equal to 30 rupees. This 30, and the cost of 3 kg of potatoes and 4 kg of tomatoes is equal to rupees 80. Then write the linear equations for the above information. Okay. So first of all, let us suppose 1 kg of potatoes, that cost price of 1 kg of potatoes be X rupees, and 1 kg of cost price of 1 kg of tomatoes be 5 rupees. So by the first till here, from here to here, we can write 1 into x plus 2 into y is equal to 30 rupees. That is x plus 2y equal to 30. Okay, this is the first equation. Similarly, from here to here, 3 into x, because 1 kg of potato is x, so 3 kg means 3 into x. 3 into x plus 4 into 5 is equal to 8. That is 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. So like this we can write down what given equations in word form. Okay. And I will give some important sums on the chart on the screen, okay, to do practice. And next, here the other method is elimination method. Elimination method also very important. In that way also they may ask for 2 marks or most probably 4 marks. Okay. So for 4 marks, for 2 marks, we will see one small sum here. Elimination method. In this elimination method, we have x plus y by xy is equal to 2. If you like to solve, okay, and x minus y by xy is equal to 6. That is all for x and y. So first of all, this equation can be written as x by xy plus y by xy is equal to x gets cancelled, we get 1 by y plus here y cancel 1 by x equal to 12. That is 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by y equal to 2. So equation 1. And the next second equation. This equation can be written as x minus y by xy is equal to 6. We can write it as x by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. You can write here 1 by y minus 1 by x equal to 6. That is minus 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 6. Equation 2. So now let us assume 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So from 1 we can write, from 1 and 2 we can write a plus b is equal to 2 and minus a plus b is equal to 6. So now eliminate. Simple. Eliminate either a or b. So by addition we can eliminate the a. So that's why you should write here addition. A gets cancelled. Here we get 2b equal to 8, b equal to 8 by 2. That is b is equal to 4. Okay. Now substitute b equal to 4 in equation 4. That is a plus b is equal to 2. Then we can write a plus 4 is equal to 2. This implies a is equal to minus 2. So we got here 2 values. In the last step we have write, we can write it as we assumed as a value 1 by x. Here a is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to what we got? A is equal to minus 2. That's 5. Then on cross multiplication, minus 2x equal to 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And next b value is 4. And we assumed it as 1 by y. And b value is 4. Substitute here. 4 is equal to 1 by 1. And cross multiplication, 4y equal to 1. And y equal to 1 by 2. So like this, we can do this English method for 2 marks purpose. Okay. So I will give some more sums on the screen itself. And next, other topic is quadratic equations. In quadratic equations, we may get 2 marks or 1 marks on the quadratic formula and on the discriminant. So first of all, let us see the quick revision on the quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? Actually, quadratic equation is based on the quadratic polynomial. So we know the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. If it is equal to 0, then we can say it as a quadratic equation. Here particularly a not equal to 0. Then only we can say it as a quadratic polynomial. Why? If it is a equal to 0, it becomes linear equation. So that's why a must not equal to 0. So now here to find out the roots or solution for this one, we have the quadratic polynomial, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here a, b, c are the real numbers and the x square quotient, and x square quotient is a, x quotient is b, and constant is c. By substituting this one, we get the x values, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And next here b square minus 4ac, this is an important one. This is known as a discriminant. It is known as a discriminant. It is generally denoted by capital D or delta. Okay. So depending upon this discriminant, we can say the nature of the roots of this a given quadratic equation. For example, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It is positive. Then we can say the roots are real and not equal or distinct. Or we can say not equal. Next, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, equal b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal and real and equal. Next, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if b square minus 4ac discriminant is less than 0, then we can write the roots are imaginary, or you can write complex numbers, or which are not real. Okay, so here depending upon this discriminant, we can find the method of the roots. So we will continue later.